Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will present the results of my analysis of the implementation of performance management in the company PT Panasonic. Before starting the presentation, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ivan Fadil Sakib. I am from the Management Study Program and from the 2022 generation. And for my supporting lecture, here is Mr. Prof. Agung Darmawan Bugdadi, MM, PhD, and Mr. Dr. David Panjaitan, SEMSI, GRCE. Because the introduction session is finished, we will move on to the presentation session. For the first one, there is introduction. Here is background. Performance management is an important aspect in managing a company which aim to ensure that every individual in the organization can contribute optimally to achieving company goals. Along with dynamic change in the business environment, companies are required to adopt effective performance management practice to increase their productivity, efficiency, and competitiveness in the market. Therefore, analysis of the implementation of performance management is a very relevant topic to explore. PT Panasonic as a complex company requires an integrated performance management system to measure and improvement individual, team, and organizational performance as a whole. Implementation of performance management not only includes measuring target achievement, but also involve employee development, identifying training needs, and improving overall business process. Therefore, an in-depth understanding of the application of performance management in a company is crucial for optimizing human resource potential and achieving organizational goals. Oke, kita next. For the next one, there is formulation of the problem. There is what is the performance management process at PT Panasonic. Next, there is how is performance management at PT Panasonic Company. And the last one is what if there is a reduction in satisfaction with the PT Panasonic Company. The next. For the next one, there is research purpose to find out what the performance. The first one is to find out what the performance management process is like at PT Panasonic. Next, to find out how performance management at the PT Panasonic Company takes place. For the last one is to find out what happens if there is a reduction in satisfaction with the PT Panasonic Company. Kita next. Okay, for the next one, there is theoretical basis. Okay, for the first one is performance management. According to Armstrong, performance management is a way to get better results from organization, teams, and individuals by understanding and managing performance within an agreed framework of plan, goals, and various defined competency requirements. According to Bakal, the definition of performance management is continuous communication carried out in partnership between an employee and his direct superior. This process includes activity to build clear expectation and understanding of the work to be carried out. According to Schwartz, performance management is a management style based on open communication between manager and employee regarding achieving goals. providing feedback from manager to employee and vice versa, as well as performance appraisal. Thus, it can be concluded that performance management is an orderly process to improve performance with planned steps such as collecting data, analyzing, measuring performance based on planned goals, and well-defined competition so as to produce a process of change which will ultimately have an impact on improving performance culture. Kita next, there is performance management process. Performance management is need to increase the work focus of employee, division, department within the company. To make it easier to implement, work management is divide into 4 process stages, namely as follow. The first one is planning stage. Next, managing or supporting stage. Next, review stage. And the last one, rewarding stage. Okay, next for internal factor of performance management. Internal factor internal factor that influence internal factor that influence performance management consists of first organization goals, next organizational structure, next human resource, and the last one organizational culture. Okay, for the last one is external factor of performance management. External factor that influence performance management consists of first political factor, next economic factor, and the last one social factor. Okay, kita next for the next one. For the next one, there is discussion. Okay, next ada performance management process at PT Panasonic. For the first one is advantage of working as an e-commerce manager at PT Panasonic. As an e-commerce manager, of course, I have an obligation to continue to improve and maintain every quality at PT Panasonic, providing a good contribution to product marketing and on providing a good contribution to product marketing on social media platform will make PT Panasonic name even stronger internationally as an electronics company with the best quality goods. Next, there is disadvantage of working as an commerce manager at PT Panasonic. As an e-commerce manager, I don't have much power regarding the company financing. I can probab I can probably I can probably only advise companies that they find a way to position their product to be more affordable without sacrificing the quality that they have. And next, for the next one, there is need in PT Panasonic company. For the first one is what's already running. As an e-commerce manager, I have carry out many company needs, such as evaluating the sales performance and profitability of the company's sales platform, as well as reviewing the level of customer satisfaction and also their feedback on the online shopping experience on the PT Panasonic site. Next one is what not yet running. Meanwhile, for the things that are not yet running in the company, such as conducting market analysis to identify opportunities for new growth and also development related to the e-commerce platform use. Next is which must be done. To overcome this, companies must recruit suitable employee to develop existing product and also enter into business partnership with other companies. Okay, for the next one is motivational driving factor. First, what's already running as an e-commerce manager in a leading company. Of course, employee training and development program have been implemented to improve their skill and motivation. Apart from that, appropriate awards have also been given to increase employees' satisfaction level. Next is what's not yet running. There are many things that are not yet running in this company, such as not having conducted a survey of employees to identify their needs and expectation. Next, which must be done. Of course, what PT Panasonic must do is conduct. Of course, what PT Panasonic must do is conduct intensive employee survey and also carry out evaluation regarding internal process that are obstacle in the company. Okay, for the next one, that is action. First, what's already running? As an e-commerce manager, many actions have been taken, such as assessing overall sales on online platform, ensuring adequate product availability, and also managing the risk of excess stock, as well as reviewing the effectiveness of the company marketing system. This one, this was done to maintain brand reputation and also increase the value of PT Panasonic. Next, what's not yet running. There are many actions that have not been taken, such as analyzing competitor e-commerce strategy and also forming a special team in the e-commerce sector at PT Panasonic. Next, which must be done. Of course, to overcome this, it is necessary to deepen competitor strategy and also to recruit employee more strictly. Oke, kita next. Performance improvement. For the first one is what's already running. As an e-commerce manager, of course, many performance improvement have been made, such as increasing success related to marketing new product and also optimizing stock based on sales data and market trend. Next is what's not yet running. For those that are not yet running, there are development in new technology and also improvement related to privacy policies and customer data security. Next is which must be done. Of course, what must be done is to start developing the application of new technology for marketing and also improving privacy policies and data security to maintain customer trust. Okay, for the last one is satisfaction. What's already running. As an e-commerce manager, of course, we maintain the level of customer satisfaction by improving product and service. Not only customers, we also provide workers with incentives that are appropriate to the performance they provide to the company. Next is what's not yet running. What has not been done is analysis regarding future product need and also stabilizing business partnership with other companies. Next, there is which must be done. Of course, to overcome this, it is necessary to stabilize business partnership so that companies can streamline their costs and improve their product. Apart from that, it is also important for analysis regarding future product needs. Okay, let's move on to the next session. Here it is reduction of satisfaction at PT Panasonic. For the first one is reason. A reduction in the level of employee satisfaction in a company can be caused by various factors. It is important to conduct thorough analysis to identify the cause. The cause can sometimes start from work that is too heavy or an unbalanced workload, which can cause fatigue and stress. Sometimes there is also a lack of opportunities for career development, so they feel that they do not have the opportunity to develop their career and lost motivation. In addition, which that do not match contribution and lack of benefit or facilities can be a cause of dissatisfaction. Discrimination and lack of transparency can also harm employee morale and satisfaction and worse company culture. Okay, for the next one, there is solution. Addressing reduced employee satisfaction level in a company require a holistic approach that involves a deep understanding of the problem that may arise. Here are some solutions to consider. For the first one is improve work environment. Next, employee development, and the last one is good performance management. Okay, let's move to the next session. Here it is conclusion. PT Panasonic is a leading electronic company in Indonesia with a reputation for excellence in product quality and after-sales service. As an e-commerce manager, the main focus is to increase product marketing via social media to strengthen the company reputation internationally. However, there are drawbacks related to product price which are sometimes higher, which can hinder consumer on a limited budget. The proposed solution includes more affordable product placement without sacrificing quality. In performance management analysis, evaluation involve whether need have been met or not, motivational factor, action taken, as well as effort to improve performance, customer satisfaction, and handling employee dissatisfaction. PT Panasonic has taken positive steps such as employee training and improve sales performance, but there is room for improvement such as competitor analysis and the formation of an e-commerce team. Reduced employee satisfaction is caused by excessive workload, lack of career development opportunities, and inappropriate wages. The solution involved improve the work environment, employee development, and good performance management. Okay, maybe that's all I can say into the presentation session. If there are any shortcoming in data or error in pronunciation, please forgive me. That's all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.